In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer friends on Remitly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your referral link and how to set up your first transfer so the referral program is ready to use. Start by heading to the Remitly homepage in your browser or app. On the homepage, look for the Refer Friends option. Go ahead and click that. This section explains how the program works and is also where your unique referral link will appear. Keep in mind, Remitly requires that you complete your first transfer before your personal link becomes active. You can share it by email, text message, or social media, but your friends need to sign up using the specific link you send to make sure any rewards are applied. Let's walk through setting up that first transfer now so you're all set. From the Refer Friends page, click Get Started. That takes you into the send flow. If you're sending to someone new, choose Send to New Recipient. You'll see fields for the amount you're sending and what your recipient will receive. Type your amount into the Use Send box. As you type, the They Receive amount updates automatically, reflecting the current exchange rate and any fees. Take a moment to review the rate and total. Small changes here can affect what your recipient ultimately gets. Next, select the delivery method. Click. Select one to open the list of options, then choose the method that works best. This could be a bank deposit, cash pickup, or another available option in your recipient's country. After you've decided, click the option to confirm your choice so it's applied to the transfer. Now it's time to pick how you'll pay. Select Payment Method, then click Select One. Choose Card as your payment option and click Continue. Card payments are usually fast and convenient, but always use a card that's authorized for international transactions if applicable. You'll be prompted to enter recipient details. Type in the recipient's first name, then their last name, exactly as they appear on their official ID if the delivery method requires verification. Click Continue. Enter a mobile phone number for your recipient if requested, including the correct country code so they can receive any delivery updates or pickup instructions. Click Continue again. If you see an optional offer or prompt at this stage, you can select No. Thanks to proceed without adding anything extra. Next, confirm your payment method. If you don't have a card on file, select Add New Card, then click. Continue to move to the Secure Card entry screen. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card. Then add your billing address. Make sure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file. Mismatches can cause declines or delays. With everything filled out, click Review Details. This is your chance to double-check the sender amount, the recipient's name and phone number, the delivery method, the expected receive amount, fees, and your payment method. If anything looks off, use the back or edit options to make corrections before proceeding. Once your first transfer is completed according to Remitly's requirements, return to the Refer Friends section on the homepage. Your unique referral link will be available there. Copy it and share it via email, text message, or your preferred social channels directly from that page. Remind your friends to sign up using the exact link you sent. That's how Remitly tracks the referral, so any promotional credit or rewards apply correctly. You can usually check the status of referrals in the same section to see when your friends have signed up and completed their first eligible transfer. A few quick tips as you go. Double-check your recipient's name and delivery details to avoid pickup issues, verify the exchange rate and fees before you continue, and ensure your card's billing address is accurate. If the delivery method involves a cash pickup, tell your recipient which provider and location you selected. That clarity helps avoid delays. And that's it. You visited the Refer Friends page, set up your first transfer, reviewed every detail, and you're ready to share your link with confidence.